Right after Florida lawmakers passed a 6-week abortion ban, they moved on 2 bills that would make big changes to the death penalty. Action News Jack's Jake Stofan joins us live downtown now. Jake, the bills make it easier to get the death penalty and expand death-eligible crimes.
That's right. And while Republicans claim to be taking a pro-life stance by supporting the abortion bill, Democrats claim to be pro-life by standing in opposition to those death penalty bills. Perhaps unsurprisingly, both sides found the position staked out by their opponents to be hypocritical. Only 8 of 12 jurors would have to recommend the death penalty under one of the death penalty bills taken up Thursday evening.
Activist jurors getting involved in litigation and criminal cases and not basing their decision on the law and the facts is what leads to the biggest injustices we can possibly imagine.
When we're talking about killing somebody and we can't even get a degree with the 67%.
The second bill makes sexual battery on a child under the age of 12 a capital offense.
Oftentimes, they have already had someone harm them. It's time for us to heal our nation and heal our state without so much punishment.
Only God can save them. And in Florida, we should be eager to arrange that meeting.
Both sides of the aisle recognized the contrasting takes between the other party's stances on the death penalty and the abortion bill passed immediately prior. The irony wasn't lost on 2 of Northeast Florida's representatives.
The side that would argue for killing innocent life would in fact then defend the guilty.
The Republican Party loves to control people's lives. And the issue that I have with the death penalty is that so many folks have been exonerated.
Action News Jack's law and safety expert Dale Carson says philosophic arguments aside, he isn't surprised to see Republicans challenging death penalty precedent as the current conservative-leaning U.S. Supreme Court has shown itself willing to reverse previous decisions.
I think that it's just natural to have these variations. And to the extent that the population wants to support, the general public wants to support one side or the other, that's how it operates.
Now, the bill lowering the jury threshold for death recommendations is now awaiting the governor's signature. On the other hand, capital punishment for child rapists still needs to clear the Senate chamber. For local coverage you can count on live downtown, I'm Jake Stofan, Action News Jax.